So just a day like usual, you jump in the car, buckle up, start to back out, and then hit your remote to close the garage door. But all you get is 10 flashes of the garage door light and the door will not close. So I'm guessing you're in a hurry, and before jumping into any troubleshooting, let me just show you how to get your garage door closed so you can go do what you're doing and then come back and we can dive into troubleshooting. So for this instance, check your garage door, make sure that everything is clear and safe to close. Once you did that, you're going to need to go to the wall controller. This does not work on your remote, but your wall controller, and press and hold. Sometimes this takes 2 presses. The first press, you'll see 10 flashes again, and then the second press you can hold and hold it the whole time until your garage door is completely closed. And I'll demonstrate that. Okay, so now when you come back home, you can use your controller and it will open your garage door. So quick and easy, hopefully that got your problem solved. And now if you have a little bit more time, click on this video here and we'll dive into the 3 different parts of troubleshooting the safety sensor issue for your garage door opener.